Alright, now that we have our sensor data, we're going to be looking at taking the sensor data and lighting this LED. Alright, but what we first need to do is set up our hardware. And that's what this video is about. How are we going to set up our event? We've done that already, and hopefully you can start using your notes from the previous chapters to keep doing these experiments over and over. So setting up an LED switch, well, you can run the negative from the LED onto the negative rail and then over like that. So this is the positive one, and here's the negative. We have to get a negative over to the other rail, so we just take the negative here and jump it across using a jumper wire. So now that the LED has a negative, we have to decide where is it getting its positive, and do we tone it down a little bit? How about this time we tone it down a little bit? Let's take a resistor and run it from, and I'm trying to make a really large change here for people that, you know, can't see very well on video. And then I'll move that a little bit that way so you can see it. And then a little bit more this way so you can see it. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so positive is going here to now here. So now we have to get a digital pin over to there. We're going to choose pin 9. Why not? We've been using pin 9. You can use any of those pins. Now you can start realizing how humble you are to all the other pins. Like, wow, there's so many things, so many other events that could be happening right now. Why aren't there? Well, start out small. Work your way up. So there's pin 9 going over to there. And that's the hardware setup. Now we have to write the code in the next video that when I go like this, that LED should turn on. Not touch the sensor, but brush my hand over it. Also, please note that I have copied down the numbers from the sensor that, you know, this is normally open. If I don't have anything on the sensor, about 750 is the number it's being broadcast. So 750 plus. And then if I wave my hand over it, I get to about 425 and below. Keep these numbers handy, write them down in a notepad, and then just kind of put them somewhere. Alright, now we're going to look at writing the code in the next video.